Hi devious, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see about we will be learning HTML introduction and best video editors. Yes, in my previous video also I have created some HTML content, but it's not so in deep or so brief. So in this video we are going to see about the HTML in detail, in brief, all together. So introduction. So before introduction we will go with the best editors. What are the editors we available? You can do your normal HTML in your notepad as well. Okay, in your notepad as well you can able to do, like, let me open a notepad. Just open your notepad and write like HTML and close the tag of HTML, and just you need to save it, like save as, go for save as, and go with the desktop, and you need to have this all files, and you need to write like index.html. Okay, so here you go. So here you have your this file, basic file. So where you can just double click on it and you can able to open. So notepad is the best for beginner. It's a like best tool where you will be learning a more, like you have a head tag, head close, then your body tag and your body close. Okay, so these are the things you have, nothing more, nothing much you will be having. Just if you see there is a HTML, small HTML you have written. Okay, nothing more than that. So if you want to have the h1 tag, headings, okay, like this is my first HTML page. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language. Just you reload it and here you go with, you got your this is my first HTML page. Okay, so h1, as usual you can write your h2, h3, h4. Okay, you can write, go with h2, and here you go with the h2 and h3 and till h6 you can go it out. Okay, so this is a very basic thing you can use with using notepad, and the code will be like simple as simple what you have written it here. It is a simple thing, you got it. So most of the people will be thinking that how I am getting the source code. Just you right click it on it and click on the view page source code, click on the view source code, or you can use Control U here. Okay, so basically I use Control U so to get the source code. So this is the basic introduction. Then let's see what are more editors we get. You have Notepad++, which is an intermediate level. Users use this Notepad++. So where you just download the latest version. I have my latest version of Notepad. See, here you have your Notepad++. So you can able to write all your pages, your code in the Notepad++. Okay, so what you need to do is here close all this left. Okay, here you go, and the same thing, just you need to write like HTML and you close your HTML tag. And here what is the benefit of Notepad++ is it will give you some suggestions. Let me go to my desktop and let me create one folder for learning HTML. Okay, just I've created one folder, and this is like part 1. So we will be having parts, and here you go with the index.html, right? Just I have said with the index.html. You can able to see a beautiful line is there. Here you go, like if I want like head, so here it gives me a drop down state. It be like coding becomes simpler. Okay, so head you have, and next it was like body we have, this is the basic syntax of HTML. Okay, so here you go with the body and then your h1. Let me close the h1. This is my first HTML page. Okay, HTML. This is one h1, and copying also becomes easy. Control D, if you press your Control D in Notepad++, the upper line will be copied as usual. Okay, same as it is. You have your h2 here, and since you have Control D, I can able to use. It becomes much more easy for me. Whereas Notepad++, it becomes very difficult for us, right? So here you go with the Notepad++. Let me open the folder and let me show you this index. See how good it is. Okay, the same code. Okay, and if you see side by side, if you create with the Notepad++, the thing will be same. Okay, the thing will be same. Both will be the same thing. Here you have your, I have written in caps. Here it was like in small. That's the only difference, and remaining things are like very much similar. Okay, now if you go with an advanced level, okay, if you go with an advanced level, then you can use your like VS Code. Okay, just go with the VS Code. You can download the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. You can do a lot more options you have here. Okay, so when you click on Windows, if you I'm working on Windows, so just it will be downloaded. Since I have the, I will not be downloading. Okay, now let us see how this thing will work. So as usual, I have created a folder, and then in that one more folder, part 1 I have created. Just click on it and I write cmd and just write like code and space with a dot. Then your Visual Studio Code will be opened. Okay, just you make just yes, I trust this author, and then you go with your coding. So here you got your HTML, index.html. It's a more advanced feature. It's a more advanced tool. So where if I just I create like another file, this was created using Notepad++. If you remember, let me rename it Notepad++. I have created it with, okay, and the thing this was created with Notepad. So let me do it like Notepad. Okay, and let me cut it and let me paste this inside the folder which we have created, learning HTML. Okay, so here you go with the part 1, and there it is. Just let me drag and drop it here so that it will copy in part 1. And here you go with the like Notepad and Notepad++, which we have created the files. And let me create right now like index HTML. Always remember, friends, the web page starts with index file. Okay, it might be index.php, index.asp.net, or index.html, anything. Server will always run index. Okay, so our first file which server will take is index.html or index.php or index.asp. Okay, so there you go. Now what I will do is I close this file and I will open that index.html file. So here you go with the index.html file, and here when I click like this thing, I'll get an options like element abbreviation. So exclamation mark, I will get an element abbreviation, where if I click like this, the complete HTML part will be imported for me. Like it has a head with the meta tags, with the title, and with the body. Same as usual, here we have like h1. So only here tags are also not readed. So like just I'm writing h1 and I'm just clicking enter. The tags, the greater than, less than symbols, everything, closing tag, everything is created by this thing. This is my first HTML page. Okay, so similarly if you want to copy the above, just control C it, control V it, that's it. Okay, and here the beauty is like if I change this H2, the H2 is automatically changed here as well. Okay, it's just you control V it, control Z, control C, control V, just you click H3. So here you go. And also you have an option called live server. If you go with the extensions here, we'll search for live server. So I have this live server already installed. So you can install the live server. The beauty of this live server is just you need to right click on it and open with live server. If you do it once, then it will start to open in the Chrome with the live server, where you will be getting 127.0.1. Any modifications you do here, like let me show you. If I have this see side by side, see how it is useful for us. Like just I am changing it to H4 and just I am saving it out. Here automatically it gets reflected. Okay, automatically it gets reflected. That's the beauty of this thing. So hope I have shown you almost 3 editors which usually we deal with. Okay, so introduction based editors are like I've shown you 3. Those are like Notepad, and then your Notepad plus plus, and like this VS Code. Okay, so basic, for basic beginners, and this is for intermediate, and this is for advanced level. Okay, so these are the 3 basic codes. And introduction, if we talk about the introduction, HTML, you can able to see there are many tags. Okay, attributes, we call these as attributes, lang attributes. Its lang is nothing but your English. Okay, HTML has a lang attribute English. Your head tag, inside the head tag there are many tags available. Okay, like meta tags, title tag, link tags, script tag, many tags are available. So we have here few of them. Okay, so meta tag, this is again an attribute of what language we are using, in which UTF-8 language character set. It is char set is nothing but character set, and this is our compatibility. Like our website will be like mobile responsive, then it is like compatibility it shows, and view report. These things will be useful. And then like its document is nothing but title, HTML, learning HTML. Okay, learning HTML by JNTU Labs. Okay, so here you go with this thing. So whenever we do this, here it gets affected, learning HTML by JNTU Labs. Okay, so this is what is all about our introduction and the basic editors. In my next video I will be showing you about the more tags. Okay, other things about the HTML. Thank you for watching this video.